Picture this, stepping onto a floor that's not just a surface, but a canvas of art, history, and durability. That's the magic of terrazzo floors. Originating in Italy, terrazzo was the answer to resourceful masons who used leftover marble pieces, blending them into clay to craft a unique flooring that was later polished to a high sheen. It's a testament to the art of making the most out of the least. Fast forward a few centuries, terrazzo floors became a mainstay in American establishments, from grandiose government buildings to everyday homes. It was, and remains, the epitome of durability meeting design. Rediscovering an old terrazzo floor under that worn-out carpet is like stumbling upon a buried treasure. And guess what? It's never too late to restore its former glory. But don't mistake us for just restorers. We at NextGen are also creators, bringing new terrazzo masterpieces to life right under your feet. And what about maintenance, you might wonder? Well, a little goes a long way. A simple sweep and mop routine keeps your terrazzo shining. For those stubborn stains, a gentle cleaner does the trick. Remember, avoid acidic solutions to maintain the integrity of your floor. Now, if you're dealing with some deep damage, we won't sugarcoat it. Sometimes not all is salvageable, but we promise to give it our best shot. And for those vintage establishments housing historic terrazzo floors, we approach with the utmost respect and careful hands, preserving as much of the original charm as possible. Whether you prefer a glossy finish that mirrors the heavens or a matte one that exudes understated elegance, we've got you covered. Once we're done breathing life into your terrazzo, we don't just leave it exposed. We seal it, protecting it from the rigors of daily life. So, whether you're looking to restore a piece of history or create a new one, we're here to help. NextGen Surface Care, where we believe terrazzo is not just a floor, it's a lifestyle. Find us at www.nextgensurfacecare.com or call us at 281-377-4890. We're excited to be a part of your terrazzo journey.